Hello busy bee gardeners, how are you guys doing today? This is my lilac bush in front of my house and I'm going to show you in under 2 minutes how we clean this up and make it look good so it's ready for the spring. Lilac bushes are notorious for looking scraggly and overgrown, so I'm going to show you how to clean that up and make them look a lot better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are setting the timer up. We have less than 1 minute. Go. Tools of choice, these guys or these guys. So the bigger ones are going to be used to make more of the dome shape on top. The smaller guys can be used for more of the trimming internally and the finer details. So when we look at the bush as a whole, we want to make sure all the stems going outwards are kind of within the dimensions that we want. So this can be any size. So anything that doesn't fit it, you're just going to give it a snip and you're done. Now the next thing we're going to want to look at is the inside of the bush. So I'm going to freeze frame here. What you're seeing here is the inside of the actual lilac bush. So you see how clean it is. There's no big twigs, but there's also no small twigs. So anything that is tiny, we've snipped out of the way. This will prevent against disease and kind of an overgrown look. It's actually really healthy for the bush itself. Okay, so moving on, what we're looking at now is the distance between the top of the soil and the bottom of the dome that we're trying to achieve. So here you can see it's very clean inside of that area. It's going to help with airflow, which is going to prevent yellow leaves and diseases. But it's also going to look physically appealing to the eye. It's going to give us separation between the ground and the top of kind of the foliage. That space is what changes a lilac bush that looks good from a lilac bush that looks like it was just planted and then forgotten. So we just clean this up and it'll look a lot different. Note I'm going to go pick on now. I wouldn't just trim it off with these small snips like I was doing here. You'd want to use the big snips. And get rid of it entirely. It's just hard to do with a camera in one hand, so that's what I would do there. That's all I have for you guys for lilac bushes. We are out of time. I promised you 90 seconds or less. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!